Only I could manage to get a flat tire, pull into the Burger King parking lot. The 2 minutes that it takes me to call road assistance, the dining room closes at the Burger King. They won't let me walk up to the window, which is right there, because it's a drive-through. I can't drive through. I have a flat tire. So in a minute, I'm going to try again to convince the person behind the window that I'd really like a cup of coffee as I sit here in the rain and wait for the road assistance to come. That's just lovely. Don't they know that, as far as I'm concerned, coffee is the elixir of life? There goes the nice tire man. Fixed my tire. He was much nicer than this place. This is where I'm staying at the moment.